If you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the SQL interview question which has been asked into the on of MNC interview. We have a question like we have to determine the highest paid employee in each department. So if we have to find the highest salary for the specific department, we can do, but we have to locate each and every department and we have to find the highest salary of that particular department. So how we will do that? So if you look over here, we have a salary employee table in which like we have employee ID, first name, department ID, and their salary. Then we have a departments table in which like we have department ID, department name, and location ID. So what we have to do, we have to join this table, employee table, with the department table. So we will join it. So we will use join over here, and we will join this. Getting We are getting the employee ID, department name, and salary. So what we will do over here, we will use a row function to determine that. So we will use row. Okay, so we have divided the rank, and now what we will do, we have to find the highest, right? So with so if you look over here, we have the employee name, we have the department name. So for the administration department, the 4400 is the highest salary. So if you look over here, each and every department we have the highest salary. And like if you I'll put this salary, if we look into the department wise as well. So we can see for administration department salary, for purchasing we have a six record, or we have six record, and for that like we can see highest. Okay, so we are getting lowest salary, so what we have to give, we have to order it by ascending, or no, descending, DESC. And then we if we'll do that, we will get the highest salary. So we can see for the marketing, the highest salary is 6,000. For the purchasing, we highest salary is 11,000. So we are getting 11,000. If you go look into the final query as well, we are getting the for purchasing, we are getting the 11,000. So this way. So the main thing is what this one. We have to use the row number to define the rank of the records, and then we have to partition it by a department ID. So for each and every department, it will get partitioned. So suppose someone is working in marketing and there are six employees. So each and every employee will get partitioned on that and get a unique number. After that, what we have to do, we have to order by the salary because we want highest salary. So the highest salary will be on top.